now the second slice.
This is January the 13th, 1990. Michael Suley's being sworn in as president at their 79th annual banquet for the Greater Pittsburgh Realtor. Ronnie over there, and Karen. There's so many people here you can't just do it. Terry, John, Kathy. Uncle Joe.
There's Uncle Joe.
Terry. Mike's being sworn in.
And if I may, I hope no one minds, I'd like to ask Mary Suley to stand alongside you. For President-elect, you have chosen Jerry Spear. And last but not least, every board needs a good record keeper and someone to watch the funds. We have Laurel McAdam, Secretary Treasurer. I've known these folks for quite some time, and I think you've made some excellent choices. You are about to assume a role that will no longer classify you as private citizens, but public servants. You are now identified as officers of your board, committed to the best interest of the public and the welfare of your members. As new officers, you are entering a new adventure in camaraderie, friendship that comes only through service, cooperation, and sharing with each other. The secret of living is the art of giving, and so to you this year comes the privilege of giving and learning that lasting happiness comes through the investment of your time and your unselfish interest in the lives of others. Will you raise your right hand, please? You do solemnly and sincerely promise and swear that you will administer the office to which you have been elected to the best of your ability and judgment, in conformity with the Constitution and bylaws of your board, our state and national association. That you will adhere to and enforce the code of ethics of the Realtor. That you will uphold and enforce the provisions of the Pennsylvania licensing law and the rules and regulations of the State Real Estate Commission. That you will, in all your acts,